Hi, my name is Alan Henry. My register number is URK17C014, and I'm here to explain the fifth exercise of our Java lab that's regarding packages. We got two questions. This is the first one where we basically had to make three different packages and input all those packages into a single Java file and basically call the methods in each of these packages to just refer to the details of a single student. So let's see the code for this. Okay, first let's have the look for each of the packages. Okay, this is the package student where student.java is there. Uh, So just the variables, the name and register number, a constructor to initialize, and a method to just print it out. Same for marks. Again, it's in another package. Uh, its variables, the constructor to initialize, and a method to print it out. And same for the non-academic thing. All these three are in three different packages, and they have been implemented in test. Now, test is a Java file. I imported the packages using the import keyword, and this is how I import them. In the main function, I just ask the user for the number of details that has to be stored, and I take those details, the number from the user, and I'm basically creating an array of each of the classes in each of these packages. So array for student, mark details, and not academic. uh, then basically I'm just running the for loop and getting the name, register number, and I'll just keep on passing it to the constructor for each of the objects so that it's initialized in the constructor, and finally I'm running a for loop and just printing it out. Let's run this once. So enter the number of students whose details has to be stored. Let's give to a name, register number, marks. So something. Non-academic. Let's go with none. Name, register number, marks, and non-academic. Non-academic. Let's go with music. Right. So basically, it's just printing it out as was desired by us. The name, register number, marks, and intended it. So marks in Java, max and OS, and non-academic details. That's. Uh, Second question was kind of similar. Uh, we had to use arithmetic calculations. So the methods regarding arithmetic calculations was in one package. Methods regarding trigonometric functions was in one package, and uh, just import the both of the packages and create a basically a file that imports them and performs the calculations using methods from these two packages. Uh, let's see. Okay, so MathOpus is the file where I'm finally implementing it, implementing both of the packages. I'll come back to it later. For now, let's have a look at arithmetic. Let's close this down. Okay, so in arithmetic, basically, there are methods for adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. And in trigonometric, uh, I'm using java.lang so that I could call the sine and cosine methods that are predefined in the java.lang package already. I'm just giving my own name, cosine and sine, for just calling the predefined functions. And okay, so these two are in different packages, and I'm calling them in the MathOpus file. So import arithmetic, trigonometric. So this will import, and in the main, not that much complex, just asking two values from the user, and I'm just calling every method that I've created. So the add, subtract, multiply, divide, and sine and cosine. So I'm calling them using objects of the packages uh, which has the class, so objects of the class, and each method is called using its object. So let's run the code and check it. Enter the values of a and b. Let's go with 7 and 4. Okay. A is equal to 7, b is 4, the addition is 11, subtraction 3, multiplication 28, division 1. Sine is this, and cos is this. Sine of a and cos of a is this. That's it for today. Thank you.